Welcome to my channel. For those who have on the Industry V2 the touch screen with the firmware by Insanity Automation given by first-layer, you may have noticed that when you do the E-step calibration, when you press the run extrusion button, nothing happens. There is no extrusion, nothing happens. I've found a little solution I'm going to show you here. First thing, you open the Marlin folder with a Visual Studio Code. Now I go to the Explorer and I look for Measure Remaining Filament. It takes you to this file. Now I look for extruding. Here it is. You can see this line of code here. I'm going to copy it and paste it. I comment the paste it part just to make sure I have saved it somewhere. Now in this line of code we have the command G1 E%F F50. Now I'm just going to replace the %F by 100, and instead of F50 I will put F150. That is, it asks the printer to extrude 100 mm of filament at the speed of 150 mm per second. Now I can save the file and I compile. I wait for the compilation to finish. Notice that before compiling the firmware, I open the file platform.io.ini and I commented out all these environments except for this one which I'm using for my board, the 4.2.2. This makes the compilation faster. Here it is. As you can see, the compilation has succeeded. Now I'm going to the folder where the compiled file is saved. Here it is, the .bin file. I save it on the SD card. Now I can eject the SD card and insert it in my printer. I turn the printer on and I wait for the flashing to finish. There it is, it's done flashing the firmware. Now I preheat the extrusion on the bed and I wait for the extruder to reach the temperature. Now I go to leveling, E-step calibration. All the values are good. Now I press on the button Run Extrusion. and as you can see, it's working. It's extruding. You can see the filament coming out of the extruder. It means that it's working now. Okay, now I'm going to test it. I put the mark on the filament at 100 and at 120 millimeters. Now I hit again the button Run Extrusion. And as you can see, it's extruding, it's working. I wait for the extrusion to finish. And when I check here, it has extruded exactly 100 millimeters. So as you can see, now the Run Extrusion button is working. Now at the command extrudes only 100 millimeters, I would suggest to change the step of these two buttons here, that is the extrude amount and the filament mark. Instead of using them as input buttons, they can be turned into read-only buttons that display 100 millimeters and 120 millimeters for the filament mark. In this case, the user does not have to input any value for the extrude amount and the filament mark. So if you think this video has helped you, please like and share it. Subscribe to my channel and activate the notification for further videos. Thank you for watching.